Hello, what's up guys and girls, hopefully. So, if you are watching this video, probably what you want to know is the easiest and fastest way to buy Bitcoin, right? I know the struggle very well. I've been looking for an easy way myself, and I had to browse through so many information and websites and blogs and portals and whatnot, and there are just so many options to choose from, and you don't know which one is scammy, which one is legit, which one is a real crypto exchange, and which one could be just another scam that's gonna take your money and your credit card info and you're never going to actually see any coins, right? So I know. So the other thing is you don't want to go through endless process of sign ups and forms and whatever, and you just want to buy Bitcoin, you want to buy it now, you want to buy it fast, right? Cool. So I want to give you the two methods which I think are the fastest and easiest ways to get into crypto. Disclaimer, this is not financial advice. Investing in cryptocurrency has its risks, and please do not invest any money you're not willing to lose. So you have to be aware of that. Okay, but you want to know, you want to buy Bitcoin and you want to do it fast, you want to do it now, you want to have some coins today, right? Cool. So I want to go into two methods which I think are the best, and I also want to elaborate a little bit more on the possible benefits, but also possible drawbacks that these methods might have for you. So then you can go and look into that. You can have an informed decision. You can take action and choose which one is best for you, and then you can, go for either option. Okay, let's get started. So the number one option to buy Bitcoin is Coinbase, okay? So Coinbase is a really large vendor. It's a website you'll find on coinbase.com, link in the description. It's a huge vendor. They are very reputable. They have thousands of customers and they've processed millions of transactions. So if you go to Coinbase, you know that is a place that you can trust, and Coinbase allows you to purchase Bitcoin with your credit card. So you purchase Bitcoin against US dollar or your local traditional fiat currency. Okay? So a cool thing about Coinbase is that they're very trustworthy because they have such a big amount of clients, and that they're relatively fast, so you don't have an endless process during your sign-ups like you have on some exchange, or you don't have these endless waiting times. And another cool thing is that it's not just an exchange platform, they also have a wallet system. That means that you can buy your wallet, you can change your money into Bitcoin, and then you can keep the Bitcoin on the wallet on Coinbase. You don't have to take it off. So you can keep it right there if you want to. If you don't want to keep it there, you can use the Bitcoin address and take it off. So the process is really simple. You have to go to Coinbase, you have to create your account. Then you have to choose the currency that you want to buy, be it Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dash or Ethereum. There are quite a few. You select the amount that you want to buy, and then you buy it with your credit card. Yeah, and that's it. That's how easy it is. Now, there are a few drawbacks that you might want to consider when using Coinbase. Number one, Coinbase does have a verification process. Now, most exchanges have a verification process, and the Coinbase one does take a little bit of a while. You have to enter all your details, and you have to upload an ID card or your passport or something like that, so that Coinbase knows that you're not doing any shady stuff, you're not trying to avoid taxes, you're not you're using Bitcoin for bad stuff. Essentially, Coinbase is a US company, they have to be compliant, so they do require that information and they do require you to complete the verification process. You will find the same thing on pretty much all other exchanges as well. So it's not something that you can really escape, okay? Another thing is that Coinbase does charge a fee on the purchase. So if you look at the current Bitcoin price in the market, when you purchase your Bitcoin on Coinbase, you will notice that the price is a little bit higher because they charge a bit on the, you buy it at a higher price from Coinbase. That being said, if you purchase more than $100 worth of Bitcoin using my link, you will get $10 as a gift from Coinbase to get you started. So you kind of get a little bit of money back, essentially. Okay, number 3 is Coinbase is not available in all countries. They have about 20 countries where you can purchase Bitcoin that they work together with, but perhaps your country is not one of them. So there's a link on Coinbase where you can go and check in which countries they operate, and if you are not in one of those countries, unfortunately, you cannot purchase Bitcoin from them. You can also just make an account and try to make a purchase, and then they will just tell you if you will know right away that if you're one of the eligible countries or not. Okay. So that is Coinbase, and I want to tell you about the second method, which I think is the most easy, fast, and secure way to get into crypto, and that is eToro. Now, eToro is a bit more sophisticated than Coinbase, and it's not just a crypto exchange. So eToro is a trading platform. It's a huge trading platform. Now, on eToro, you can buy stock on the Nasdaq, tech stock, Apple, Google, all the traditional types of stock investments. You can buy commodities like oil, you can buy gold, all sorts of things. But you can also buy Bitcoin, Dash, Ethereum, Ripple, and a couple of others on eToro, which is very cool. You can do many sorts of things on eToro. There's a social media aspect to it. You can follow popular investors there. You can do many things, but you want to buy Bitcoin and you can do it over there. Now, the benefits of eToro is that it is very secure, and then it's very fast, much faster than Coinbase even. You sign up an account. You sign up for an account. There's a link in the description. You make your account, enter a few details, and you can upload some money to eToro. So you enter your credit card or your PayPal account, and woof, your money is immediately on eToro, and you can purchase Bitcoin right away. Takes 2 clicks, 2 buttons you have to click, and then you got your Bitcoin. How cool is that? Then you got about 14 days to complete the verification process where you upload your ID, but the first 2 weeks you can use it without even verifying yourself. So it's really cool. So what are the drawbacks of using eToro? The drawback of using eToro is that you're not actually getting the digital currency. What does that mean? Well, on Coinbase, you have a Bitcoin address where the Bitcoin gets deposited to. You have a Bitcoin wallet. That means you can take advantage of all the Bitcoin features, like you can send it to your friends, you can send it somewhere else, you can store it offline, you can put it on a Trezor, you can do all sorts of cool stuff that you can only do with Bitcoin or digital currencies. Now, what you do on eToro is you don't actually buy the Bitcoin, you buy an ownership of the Bitcoin. It's pretty much the way that stocks work as well. You don't actually buy the stock, you just buy an ownership. You buy that stock ownership, you buy a fraction of it, you hold it for a while, and then you sell it. And then the ownership gets transferred to whoever bought when you sold, right? So this is the way Bitcoin is handled on eToro as well. You don't get a wallet address. You don't get all the cool stuff. You cannot take your Bitcoin off eToro. You cannot send it somewhere else. The only thing you can do is you can purchase it and you can sell it. That's the only two things that you can do with your cryptocurrency on eToro. So you can trust them. There's no risk involved. It's perfectly fine. The only difference is you don't actually own the coin itself. But you know, if you're looking to get into crypto really fast, you just want to invest, you're not interested in all the crypto blockchain aspects of it, you just want to invest and get started right away, you want to get started today, yeah, you can get started on eToro in 5 minutes. It's super, super simple. And you can buy Bitcoin at a low price, sell it at some later point at a higher price, and cash in on the profit, right? You can take advantage of Bitcoin as an investment vehicle on eToro rather than a cryptocurrency itself. So I hope I was able to show you the two different methods of how you can buy Bitcoin the fastest way and easiest way, in my opinion. Go check out both platforms and choose which one you like more. Consider which one is better suited for your requirements. Do you want to actually move your Bitcoin around, or do you just want to make a quick investment? For long-term investment, both platforms are perfectly fine. So yeah, I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, leave me a like, maybe write a comment, and happy investing. Cheers, bye.